The legal saga of Gautam Adani, Indictment and its ramification and in US and Indian context. The recent indictment of Gautam Adani, chairman of the Adani Group, alongside his nephew Sagar Adani and others, marks a pivotal moment in international corporate governance and legal accountability. Charged by a US court with securities fraud, wire fraud, and violations of the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act. The case exemplifies the convergence of US legal framework with alleged corrupt practices involving Indian officials. The allegations claim that the Adanis orchestrated bribes worth approximately 2029 crore to Indian government officials to favor their business interests while deceiving US investors and obstructing investigations. An arrest warrant has been issued for both Gautam and Sagar Adani, escalating the situation into a high-stakes international legal affair. An indictment in the United States signifies the formal commencement of criminal proceeding equivalent to a charge sheet in India. It outlines the charges against the accused following through investigation. According to the US Department of Justice, an indictment formally notifies individuals of the accusation and serves as a prelude to the trial. Deliberation occurred in strict confidentiality, and an indictment is only unsealed and made public once the jury deems the evidence sufficient to initiate a trial. The procedural framework was similarly followed in other high-profile cases such as the indictment of former Indian intelligence officer Vikas Yadav, who was accused for plotting to kill a Sikh separatist leader in New York. Post-indictment, the issuance of an arrest warrant empowers law enforcement to take the accused into custody, which has already occurred in the Adani case. The accused must then appear before the court where they can plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest. If the accused is located outside US borders, authorities may seek international cooperation such as requesting a red notice through Interpol. However, as Gautam Adani's location in India is known, US authorities may directly seek his extradition. The possibility of a trial in absentia exists but remains controversial due to concerns about fairness and due process. Legal experts, including senior advocate Vikas Pava, highlight that such trials are rare and require stringent adherence to due process. Trials in absentia, though possible under US law, are generally avoided due to their potential to undermine the legitimacy of judicial outcomes. The United States and India share a mutual legal assistance treaty facilitating the exchange of information, evidence, and testimony. Under this treaty, the US can request India's cooperation to strengthen its case against the accused. However, the admissibility and credibility of such evidence must align with Indian legal framework. The indictment of Gautam Adani and others presents a complex interplay of legal, political, and economic factors. While the US pursues accountability under its law, the final resolution of his case will likely hinge on cooperation between Indian and US authorities, adherence to international legal norms, and the ability of all parties to present compelling evidence. As this legal drama unfolds, it underscores the globalized nature of corporate governance and the intricate balance between national sovereignty and international accountability.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.